Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for joining Wyatt and I. Can you say hi? Yes, Wyatt and I for another video. Zena is with my son, went for a ride, so she's not here right now. It's just Wyatt and I. But that's all right. We got this, right buddy? Okay, maybe I got this. I'm excited because for today's video, I have a Fashom unboxing for you. Fashom is a styling service, $15 styling fee. You kick it off through your app or browser, which is nice because it's not scheduled. You get to get one as often as you want. And you pick a stylist. So you're going to have a set stylist. You get to pick one, so you can pick the same one or you can try different ones. And your stylist picks out outfits for you, and then you shop what she picks for you. And if you don't, there's not enough items there for you to pick 5, which you pick 5 to have sent to you, and you can ask for more. So this last one, I asked for more, so I had about, I think it was about 8 or 9 items to choose from. So I picked 5 of them, and here they are. So here's what the inside of my box looks like. You always get this nice envelope that's so uplifting. It says, "Hello, beautiful." You always get a return envelope to send back anything you don't love and don't want to keep. It is free shipping both ways. You do get an invoice. We'll go over pricing here at the end. And you do get a discount. They have a nice structure. Yeah, you get 30% if you keep all 5 and 25% if you keep 3 or 4 pieces. So that's awesome. And I will share my referral link down below because if I share my referral and you use it, I get a $10 credit and you do too. So it says your friends get $10 credit after signing up with your referral link. So I'll make sure I put that down below in case you want to give it a try. All right, we'll go over that in a minute. Here is my bundle. So I see some color and pattern. Let's get into it. So there is a bee flying around me and Wyatt is on it. So if you see commotion, that's what it is. You guys might not see it in the frame because he's around the camera on the outside. Okay, first up is something from Lime and Chili. And it's a little pink top. It's a little bit longer with this little crisscross front. It's in a nice, pretty, cheery, bright pink color. Let me get the tag here. Has that little crisscross front. It's supposed to be cute for layering things on top of it. That's cute. Next is a little top, and this is this black? I can't tell. I think it's black. I wasn't sure if it was navy blue or black, but I think it is black. Yep, it's black. And it looks like it has some like gold in it and almost like a purple, like a dark purple. Has a cap sleeve and this little bit of, oh, ow, Wyatt. Okay, the bee must be behind me now. Can you see him? All right, a little bit of lace here. So that's cute. It has some pleating in the back here as well. All right. I actually have a Fashom dress on today too. I got this in my last box. All right, next is something by Griffin Paris. This is another top in blues and a little bit of like a rusty color, rust orange. So this is pretty. Be nice with jeans. Has the, oh, okay. Wyatt's keeping his eye on that bug, let me tell you. I like this front, the notch front. Looks like it has 3/4 sleeves. This is the back. That's cute. Next up is pants. These are by Umgee. These are this bright blue color. What do you think of these? This is a nice, pretty blue color. These regular jeans, full length, skinny. I like these. I like the color. Very pretty. And last up is by MOCI. Is that Mochi, do you think? Mochi by Purple Rain. And this is a dress. So this is a vertical striping dress. And this looks like green, orange, and white. It's a jersey. It is lined. Yeah, it does have a full lining. If you guys can see that. 3/4 sleeve. Fairly simplistic. I'm not sure about these colors. I don't know if I realized it was this color, but All right. I'll have to see what that looks like. That's interesting. Okay. Let's get to the try-on and see what they look like. So I was super curious about this dress, so I tried it on first. So it has this vertical striping. It has the, it comes up a little bit on the side here, so it's a little rounded hem in the front and back. I'm going to be in the shadows a little bit, but hopefully you guys can see. And I'm not loving the colors on me. It has a little bit of bunching here in my waist and a little, like right here in my midsection all the way around, a little bit of bunching. But overall, I don't mind the style of the dress. It has the rounded neck here, not near my throat, so that's good. 3/4 sleeve, that's all fine. I'm really just not, the fit around my waist isn't that great. And I'm not really loving these colors on me. So here's the full view, but I'm going to go into the shadows a little bit, just because of the time of day. I just put on booties because I am going to have to start transitioning shoes here. Yeah, so I'm not sure this one's going to work for me just because of how the fit is. Scrunching a little bit here. But I do like the concept of it. All right, next outfit. Next up is the top with the little notch collar and the pretty blue and rust colored pattern here. It does have elastic at the arm, and it is 3/4 sleeve. And then I put it on with the blue Umgee jeans, and I kept my little sandal booty, I'll call this a crossover shoe, on. So I think these jeans are nice. I love the color. I think the length isn't too bad. I see a fuzz here. And they seem to fit pretty well. I have a little bit of room in the waist, I think, but I'm not sure I'd want to size down. I don't know. I don't know if they would loosen up as I wear them. That might be a problem. If they don't, I think I'd be okay. I think this makes for a cute outfit, these two together. And with a jean jacket, maybe a dark wash jean jacket, this would probably be a super cute outfit going into fall. What do you guys think of these? The only thing I'm wondering if this elastic would bother me around the arms. I'm not sure about that, but I think the top's cute. I could also do a front tuck with it. Makes for a little bit of a different look. So not bad. I think these two are nice items. Okay, I've got two more. All right, next I have on the pink top that has this, and I'm sorry I'm squinting at you guys, the sun's coming at me, so sorry about that. But this has the cute little crossover in the front. Otherwise it's a basic tee, nice and long. Would be great for leggings, but just a basic, but cute. The color's nice and bright. Love pink. Be nice under jackets, cardies. Nice and soft. Comes up higher on the side. I do love the bright pink. It's like a bubblegum pink, right? It's super bright and happy. A cute piece. All right, I have one more top to show you. All right, the last item is this cute little top. It's black with this nice camel or gold color in it, also white and this purple. So this is a purple. Now that I'm in the sunshine, I can see that. I tucked it into just normal jeans and I put on these camel color slides just for a look. So Wyatt is tapping on the door. I don't know if you guys can hear him, which I asked him to come outside and he wouldn't come. Okay, and it also has this little ruffle around the sleeve. I didn't notice when I pulled it out, but I don't mind it. And then it has this nice little cutouts here and the little keyhole front. So it's not a bad top. It's kind of cute. It has a flat hem. I just tucked it for a little bit of a dressier look. But I think it would look cute under jackets. I'm not sure about the pattern. What do you guys think of this pattern? All right, that is all 5 items. So let's do a wrap up and talk pricing. So what did you guys think? I thought these were fun, cute items. Let's talk about them. So I love that they always send you their motto, which is #BetterAsIam. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. And they do have free returns or exchanges if it's not quite the right fit. And you have 3 days to decide which items you want to keep or return. And you just need to at least buy 3 items in order to get 25% off. Of course, if you buy all of it, you get 30% off. And for every Fashom box that is sent, they do donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue for New York City dogs, which I really like as well. I'm always about the puppies, which I guess you guys can have picked up on that, right? Okay, so let's do this. My entire box, so for all 5 items, if I were to keep them all, the total was only $209, and if I kept it all, it would be a 30% discount, and that would give me a $62.70 discount, bringing it down to $146.30 for all 5 items. Not bad, right? Not bad for all 5 items. However, I was not loving the dress, so I'm thinking 30% is not an option for me, but 25% might be. So let's talk through them. The dress is the first item on the list, and that was this one. And it just did not seem to fit me right in the midsection. I think I'm a little too curvy for this dress. I think it needed someone who wasn't quite as curvy, and I'm not loving these colors. So it just wasn't me. It was like $45 though. Not a bad price, right? It's only $45, but that's a no for me. Next up is the Umgee USA Basic 5-pocket stretch skinny jean. This bee is still harassing me, and that's why if you hear scurry sounds, that's why it's chasing it. These are also only $45. So what did you guys think of these for only $45? And if I got a 25% discount? I thought they were nice. I really like the color. I think I'd like to try to hold on to some color going into fall. I hate to go straight to all the really dark colors all the time. So these are a maybe. Next is the Griffin Paris 3/4 sleeve woven top. What did you think of this one? This is $42. I didn't think this was bad either. I'm just wondering if the elastic sleeves would bother me. But overall, I thought this was a cute top. So it's a maybe. Next is the Bon Ami triangle top. That was this one. This one is also $42. What did you think of this one? Do you like this print? I liked the details around it. It did have this little bit of the ruffle sleeve and then the little keyhole front. I thought this was a possibility as well. It's only $42. And then the lime and chili crisscross v-neck short sleeve top. This one was $35. I like this one for layering underneath jackets, cardies, Great for leggings. Maybe it's one of my Spanx. So, which of these 4, if I was going to keep, should I keep all 4? Should I keep 3 so I can get the 25% discount? What would your choices be? Because I think all 4 are possibilities. I just have to decide what I need. So help me decide. I will list all 5 of these items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. I will list my referral in case you'd like to give this a try, so you can get $10 off of your first box. And I can't wait to read your comments to help me decide which of these I should keep. Let me know if you liked it all, or have a favorite piece. What do you think? There is a $15 styling fee, which does come off of anything that you keep. Yeah, that should come off of the total as well. So thank you so much for spending some time with me and Crazy Wyatt. I had all kinds of interruptions during the end of this video for some reason. I don't even know where Wyatt is. He must have found the bug. So he must have chased it somewhere. I would love it if you hit that like button. I would love it if you would hang out with us for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you. Till next time, everyone. Have an awesome day. Bye.